everyone. My name is Krupa. I am from degree first year TSWRDCW Jayagirigutta. Now I want to discuss with you about what is a data, what is data science, what is the work of a data scientist, and what is the use of data science. Now first of all, what is a data? Data means the collection of information like facts and numbers for a reason is known as a data. And nowadays all of the world is running on the data. All of the world is depending on the data. And the whole world may not be developed without using data. And now what is data science? Data science is the study of data. It includes statistics, mathematics to extract knowledge from different structured and unstructured data. And now what is structured data and what is unstructured data? Structured data means the data which was organized, the data which was predefined. For example, I want to make a call. Then I will search for a name in the search box in a contact app. Then I will get the name in a quick and easy way. So how this process was done? This process was done because already the software has developed in the contact app. So already the data was organized in a predefined manner. So if I give an input, if I give an data in the search box, the app software takes our data what we have given, and after organizing and processing the data, it will give the output what is our required number. So this type of organization of data is known as structured data. And now what is unstructured data? Unstructured data means the data which was not predefined, which was not organized. So this type of data is known as unstructured data. And now we have discussed about what is a data, what is data science. Now what is the work of a data scientist? First of all, a data scientist collects the information. After that he will analyze the information. After that he will process the information. After analyzing and processing, he will extract pure information from different structured and unstructured data. After processing that information, he will provide that information to different companies. So this was one of the work done by a data scientist. And there were so many types of tasks which were done by a data scientist. For example, I want to buy a mobile. Then I will search for a mobile in the Amazon app. I want to buy a mobile below 10,000 rupees. So in the search box, I will search for I want to buy a mobile below 10,000 rupees. So the app already the software has developed in the Amazon app. Then it will take our data what we have given. After organizing and processing the data, the software of the Amazon app recommends us some types of models. So by choosing one of the model, I will buy a mobile. So how this recommendation process was done? This was done because already the software has developed by a data scientist. So this was a work done by a data scientist. And now I want to tell you what is a job done by a data analyst and data engineer and a data scientist. And now a data analyst collect the information. He will process the information. And a data engineer visualize the information. So what is visualization? For example, I want to get the COVID-19 rates. So COVID-19 rates in different states. So a data engineer visualizes this information in a graphical manner, or he will represent this information in a pictorial manner. So this type of organizing the data is known as visualization. So these both works were done by a data scientist. So these were the difference between analyst, a data analyst, and a data engineer and a data scientist. And now what is the use of data science? There is a lot of use of data science. Nowadays AI is getting improved, and so data science also includes machine learning, big data. So through this type of machine learning and big data, we can develop the artificial intelligence, so which was very useful for us. So artificial intelligence includes artificial AI cars and Google Alexa. There are so many types of apps which was useful for us through data science. And for example, Google Alexa, Google Pay. So these were apps which is very useful for us, and through these apps, through this data science, we can live in a secure way, and then our country will be developed, and through data science our country will develop in technology, in artificial intelligence, and our country will become as a well developed country in the whole world. And thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.